Every day, we make countless decisions. What to choose, what to prioritize, what to trust. And sometimes, we overthink everything. Choosaro helps you make decisions with clarity. Simply describe your goal, add your options, and let AI analyze your options for you. Compare options side by side, explore strengths and weaknesses, and understand the reasoning behind every recommendation. Whether you're choosing products, making business decisions, planning your future, or making everyday decisions, Choosaro helps you decide more clearly, faster, and with confidence. Available on web and mobile, so your decisions stay with you everywhere. Stop overthinking. Start choosing with confidence. Meet Choosaro, your AI decision companion.